Hi, my name is Dr. Hussein Abbas, and I'm a general and bariatric surgeon. I like to think of myself as an obesity expert, and I work at HCA Florida Healthcare. I was born in Bahrain. It's a small island in the Persian Gulf where I went to school there. From there, I moved on to Canada, where I was in McGill. From McGill, I moved to Dublin, Ireland, where I did my medical schooling at the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland. I did my residency at one of the Yale hospitals. From there, I did a fellowship specializing in complex gastrointestinal surgery using minimally invasive techniques, as well as the medicine of obesity and how to tackle obesity at University of Florida in Gainesville. Patients, when they first come to us, they do not feel that sense of judgment, what they probably have been having or feeling their whole life. And this is what I hear all the time: can't tie my shoes. I feel embarrassed because the seat couldn't fit me. I couldn't go on rides. We live in Florida. I couldn't go on rides in Disney World. I have an exceptional colleagues here who deal in psychology, psychiatry. My dietitian, our Center of Excellence Bariatric Center. My goal is to facilitate all of that as the leader of this team. And of course, the greatest satisfaction is I love to see and hear the stories where my patients tell me what they've been able to accomplish after they have actually been able to lose the weight with their own families.